Hello everyone, in today's video we will be looking at the DOM iX6SR, which is a neat little dimple lock made by DOM. It has 5 pins in the main stack and 2 additional security features, which are these 2 sidebars. So let's see what's going on inside. Let's take a look at the key. We have the cuts for the main stack in here. We have some cuts for the passive pins. This is what manipulates or interacts with the interactive element in the back. So you can see it's going kinda like not straight, but to the like sideways, I guess, or it's not straight up. And we also have some cuts on the side of the key, and these cuts control the other sidebar because this one pushes on a ball bearing that in turn disables the lateral sidebar. So what kind of pins do we have here? We have quite a mixture of pins. So we have 2 torpedo key pins. Torpedoes are very well known for being difficult to recover from if you overset them, because they have this thin neck and a lip above, and if you overset this pin it will be, I think, impossible to just release tension and not drop everything else. So torpedoes in chamber 1 and 2, and the other pins are standard. For the drivers in chambers 1 and 2, we have spools. And these pins are the worst. These are the DOM signature T-spools. They are also used in the DOM RS8. I think DOM uses them in some other locks, I guess, too. And these T-spools, basically you need to pick them twice, but the second click is very difficult to get because this T section, this bottom narrow section, binds very late in the pick, and it's kind of difficult to detect that it's really binding. So you have to look for it and you have to know that it's there, because if you don't, it's hard to know that you should pick it one more time. So these T-spools are kinda annoying. And we have sort of a barrel in chamber 5. It's not like a sub-barrel because there is no countermilling, but also this bottom section may act like kind of a T-pin, but because if it binds kind of soon in the pick, you just get 2 clicks in rapid succession. You might not even notice it. And it has kind of a tapered shape, so it drops a lot and you have to pick it multiple times because it just keeps dropping. We have these 2 sidebars. This one is the one that's on the side, on the lateral side of the lock. Interesting shape, spring loaded, and is controlled by this ball bearing. If we take a look in here, so this ball bearing sits here, and you need to, well, actually it's on a different place, but doesn't matter, you need to push it to the side and then the sidebar gets disabled. And the other sidebar is controlled by this pin, tiny little interactive pin, which is sitting way back in the lock, in the keyway, like this. Okay, so what did I drop? Okay, the ball bearing. So it's kinda hidden in here. I'm not sure if you can see it. Here he is. So he's very difficult to push. I spent good 2 minutes trying to find him because he's buried like in this half circle, I don't know what is it, hole or whatever, and it's not easy to get, trust me. So this interactive can be a real pain in the ass to pick. And we have some passive pins in here. So yeah, pretty neat little lock, neat little. For such a small lock, there's a lot of stuff going on, so really nice, well manufactured lock. For picking it I was using this stock Gosso flake because I need to bully the pins a little, and this flag has a lot of force, it's very strong, so, and especially for these T-spools it was required, because especially this one is very high lift, and I almost needed to put the flag vertically and use it sort of like a hook in order to set it. Okay, so that's basically all there is to say about this lock. Just a real quick show. I will show the housing. We can see two sidebar slots, lateral sidebar and the bottom or the top sidebar, depends on how you look at it. And yeah, I already show you the plug, so let's go ahead and get this picked. Okay, here we go. Key works. Let's put some tension in here. And actually I'm gonna use this flag because I can click on 1, click on 3, another on 1, click on 5, a little core movement, back to 1, nothing there, 2 is bending, counter rotation on is set, now 5 again, click there, 1 loose, 2 loose, 3 as well. Now let's try to set 4. Click there, back to 1, nothing, 2, nothing, 3, 5. Okay, click there, and I think we have the main stack pretty much set right now, so let's go ahead and move to the ball bearing. Okay, click there, but yeah, he's kind of half binding, so I guess, or actually, no, he keeps dropping. It means there is still something missing here. Usually it's 5. Okay, I guess I got something a little out of 5. Okay, that was better. Let's try the ball bearing again. Okay, got a click out of him. I'm just gonna try the main stack real quick. Okay, and the ball bearing is set, so here comes the pretty annoying interactive in the back. This might take a while. Okay, here he is, or is he? Not here. Dude, where are you? Almost. I almost got him. Keep slipping off him, I think. Huh. This guy is so annoying. Did I get him? Well, let's see. I didn't. Pretty sure I did not. Scratching the edge of him, but No luck so far. No, it's definitely not set just yet. Maybe no. I really doubt it, but no. Maybe no. So it's a little bit better. Yes. Okay, so for these pulls I need something stronger actually. Okay, there's the one on 3 and now 4. This is like a super high lift, so it may take me a while. Come on. These pulls. There's 4. Actually, I don't feel him up there. One, 2, 3. There's 4. Okay. And there we go. And there's a super high lift. Okay. Let's get this real quick. So, all right. Should be good. So, C-clip. Where's the follower? Okay, here it is. Now let's not lose anything valuable. That would be a shame. I wonder how to approach this. Why don't we start with the lateral sidebar? Okay, and the ball bearing. There he goes. Actually, now I'm thinking I will dump the key pins. So into the core holder you go. And let's start with 1. Torpedo. Another torpedo. Standard. Standard. And standard. Okay, and now let's remove this bottom or top sidebar depends how you look at it. Okay, let's just put in here, I guess, and the interactive pin. I don't want to actually drop the passives. Okay, I already did. This is a passive. Let's just leave this here, and the passive pin I will deal with it later. Okay. Drivers. So we have a spool in one, another spool in two, DOM T-spool in three, DOM T-spool in four, and we have a barrel, or sort of a DOM barrel, I guess, in five. Springs. Don't really want to go out. All right. Okay, so there's a logatit. I will leave the passives in. That one will have to go back somewhere, and just a little close up on the pins. Okay, well, I guess that's all for today, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day.